Welcome to the programming language courses. So this is the second lecture of the programming language courses. In this lecture we are deal with the one example of the precedence rule and associativity rule. So in this last lecture we have briefly done with the definition. So in this lecture we have deal with the example of this precedence and associativity rule. So this is the example. I will provide this example. In this example you can pause this screen and we can try itself. So in this statement the number of printf statement is 5 and ignore the syntax error because p.f means printf. So int a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Yes, this is the given statement. And in the next line, a plus equal to b plus equal to c. So I will write this statement here, no problem. So we know that plus equal to the right to left associativity. In this table we can see that this is the second last assignment operator. Plus equal to will be go to the right to left. So how to solve this problem? Yes, this is the left and this is the right. So we know that plus equal to go to right to left. So go to right to left and pick the two operands. So let's say a plus equal to x. I will take this expression is equal to x. So what is the x? X is equal to b plus equal to c. This is the x. So solve it. B is equal to b plus c. So what is the b? B is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. So the x is equal to 5. This is the x. So this is the x. I will repeat the statement. This is the expression. We know that plus equal to right to left associativity. Go to the right, pick two operands. This is the operands. I will take this expression for x. This is for the x. And what is the x? X is equal to b is equal to c. So b is equal to b plus c and b is equal to 2 plus 3, b is equal to 5. So here a is equal to a plus x. So what is the a? A is equal to 1 plus what is the x? X is equal to 5. This is the x. And a is equal to 6. So after the complete of this statement, what is the value of a? A will be 6, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 3 because no changes in the expression c. So after this statement is executed, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 3. So I will rub this. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 3. So I will talk the first printf statement. In the first printf statement saying that a less than b. What is the a? 6. 6 less than 5. 6 less than 5. And we know that this is the ternary operator. We know that this is the ternary operator. And in the ternary operator, this is the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement which goes to the first expression. If this condition is false, this is go to the second statement. So this condition will be false. So this condition will be the false. So what is the answer? B. This is the B because this is the post increment. So what is the B? B is equal to 5. So after this first printf, 5 will be printed. 6 less than 5. This is the ternary operator. This condition is false. False means goes to the expression 2 and this is the B. What is the B? B is equal to 5. So 5 will be printed. And in the next statement B will be the incremented. So saying that what is the value of A, B, C? A will be 6 and B is 6 and C is 3 because This is the post increment. That's why 5 to 6. And the third printf statement is very important because this is statement saying that C plus equal to A less than B question mark A plus plus colon followed by B plus plus. We know that this is the ternary operator and this is the relational operator plus assignment operator plus equal to. So in the printf statement third, so plus equal, if we compare plus equal and whole will be the ternary operator. Whole will be the ternary operator. So goes to the precedence table, assignment operator or ternary operator. We can see that conditional operator. This is the plus equal to assignment operator and this is the whole will be the ternary operator. So the ternary operator or conditional operator has the maximum priority. I am saying that plus equal to and whole will be the ternary operator. This whole expression will be the ternary operator. So what will be the answer? So A less than B. What is the A? 6. 6 less than 6. 6 less than 6. Condition is true or false? Condition is false. What will be the printed? Whole expression will be get. What is this? B. B means 6. So this expression whole will be get 6. So C plus equal to 6. C is equal to C plus 6. You can see that. And what is the C? C is equal to 3. So C is equal to 3 plus 6. This is the 9 will be printed. So this is the 9 will be printed. I will repeat this statement. This is the fighting between. This is a fighting between plus minus plus equal operator, assignment operator and ternary operator. So ternary operator will be the higher precedence. So firstly this whole expression will be get 6, that is equal to 6 plus equal to 6 and 6 and C is equal to 3. So the value of this after the printf third statement will be the printed, the value which will be printed 9. Yes. And in the next statement B value will be incremented. So what is this? A remains 6. A remains 6. What is the B? B will be 6. What will be the C? This is the 9. C 6 9. And this is the also important. In this case we are saying that C greater than is equal to B, C greater than is equal to B and greater than is equal to A, assignment assignment 1 colon 0. So again same question, the relational operator and ternary operator. The relational operator has the highest precedence as compared to ternary operator. So this will be the executed first. In the last expression we have executed first conditional or ternary operator. Why? Because the assignment operator has less precedence. In this case this is the relational operator, this is a ternary operator. So we are saying that the relational operator has higher priority. So C greater than is equal to B. What is the C? 9. 9 greater than is equal to 7. You can see that 9. C is equal to 9 greater than is equal to 7. What is this? Condition is true. So what will be the return? 1. 1 is greater than is equal to, what is the A? A value will be 6. A value will be the 6. So this will be the false and false will be get expression 2 will be executed. So what will be the output of this expression? 0. I will repeat again. C greater than is equal to B greater than is equal to 8 question mark 1 colon 0. So again this is the fighting from relational operator and ternary operator. So first will be executed relational operator. Why? Because if you compare the ternary operator and relational operator has higher precedence, higher priority. So C, what is the C? 9 greater than is equal to 7, and this will be return 1, and 1 is greater than is equal to 6, this will be false, and 0 will be return. So answer will be, this will be give 5 answer, and second printf will be 663, and third printf will be 9, and fourth will be 679, and last will be 0. So this is the answer of this question, and I will compile this question from one or two compiler, and I have some print screen of this images. I will provide this print screen. Yes, so I will, so this is the example, and I will run this program on the Dev C++. So the output of this program is C. You can see that. What is this? 5, this is the 663, and second will be 663, and 9, and 679, and 0. So this is the Dev C++ compiler, and I have also run this same program on the online compiler. So the same output will be provided. You can, I have also given link to the above compiler. Yes. So the output will be same. So the conclusion will be that this is not the compiler dependent answer. So different compiler have give the same answer. So thanks for the watching. So if you have any doubt, you can comment it. Thank you so much.